In this video, I'll show you how to resize an image in Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And from here, you want to head over to the bottom and click on the second option, which is campaigns. Now, once you are on the campaign section, what you need to do is simply head over to the campaign in which you want to edit. This will be my email campaign. On the right-hand side of campaign, head over to the action section. And from here, click on the edit button. Now, that will take you to the preview of your campaign. From here, you want to head over to the fifth section, which is content. On the right-hand side of content, click on edit design. Now, that will open up the editor of your campaign. From here, what you need to do is simply head over to the image in which you want to resize. Now, this is considered as an image block because at the very top, it is stated as an image. If I click on this block on the left-hand side, it will also state that this is an image. Now, in order for you to resize this, once you click on an image block, on the corners, you will see these circles. Simply hold and drag in order for you to resize or scale its image. On the left-hand side, you also have an option for an original, a fill, as well as scale. And if you do scale it, you will have a circle here below. If you hold and drag, you'll be able to scale it into however you want it to be. Now, at the top, you will also have an option to crop. So if you click on crop, in here, you will see these lines on the corners. Simply hold and drag, and you'll be able to resize the image from here. On the left-hand side, you can also choose either a square, a horizontal, a vertical, or an original. And once you're done, head over to the left-hand side, and at the bottom, click on Done. That will automatically resize the image on how you cropped it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.